Jamie from Shanti Kai with a quick tip for you on working with our Shanti Kai Ma-Hina essence. Ma-Hina is a very nurturing, soothing essence, and yet it's got a lot of power to it. You know, Ma-Hina was the Hawaiian moon goddess, and so she is known as the creatrix, the warrior, the seer, the healer, right? And the moon similarly is soothing, it's luminescent. We look at it at night and it can be very calming and evoke tranquility. It also represents your hidden emotion and your intuition. You know, the full moon is known for causing the werewolves to come out of the dark and mental hospitals to be more packed, or people with sleeping problems to become more agitated. And so it's a very soothing essence, but it also moves hidden emotion or energy up to the surface so that you can see it. But the way it's formulated can help to soothe your energy so that it can do this in a more balanced way. I would recommend it if you're somebody that does experience emotional disturbance or trouble, or you're feeling blocked or disconnected from your intuition. This could be a really wonderful essence to work with. So that is our Shanti Kai Ma-Hina. Thank you very much.